Welcome to DayTradingEdge, the YouTube channel where you can expect to learn about money, trading, latest news, dating tips, and pretty much anything related to self-development and leveling up your lifestyle. Today we delve into the mindset of a true high-value man and how to convert your time into money by maximizing your skills and your capital efficiency.
So how do you buy a Rolls-Royce for free? Listen to what he has to say, and I know a lot of guys are going to come up with a backlash saying, oh, but not everyone has that kind of level. And I'm going to give you an example how you can apply that example, just the way of thinking from the example on any level. You've heard me right. Any level of your growth. It's just the way of thinking. It's not about the Rolls-Royce. It's not about the money. Listen.
How do you buy a Rolls-Royce for free? The big mistake is when people decide, I want to take $500,000 and pay cash for it. People come to me, and this happens often, and tell me, I bought a car with cash. It literally makes me want to cry. Dollars make dollars to spend. If you have $5 million, you put the $5 million either in a stock portfolio, which creates between 8 and 10% annually historically, or you can put it in a high interest account, which right now is paying about 5%. So $5 million at zero. So $5 million at zero risk, guaranteed 5% interest is $250,000 a year in interest, and you still have the principal. That means you're making over $20,000 a month in interest, and you still have 100% of the principal. So now you take a line of credit out against your $5 million that's earning $250,000 a year. You write a check for the Rolls-Royce at $500,000, and your money just paid for your Rolls-Royce, plus you're still putting about $15,000 a month in the bank. How do you buy a Rolls-Royce?
So far so good, but like I said, a lot of guys will come with a backlash and say, but that cannot be done at any level. Yes, of course it can. Just listen. So let's say you're at the level where you're not going to be buying Rolls Royces, but you're going to be buying your car. So instead of going and buying your car and more expensive than you can afford, or borderline what you can afford at the minute, what you can actually do is go and take the same money that you're going to put towards, I don't know, the deposit and finance the car and pay it monthly. Take the same money, let's say you put like 5 grand towards a decent car, brand new or second hand, almost brand new. So you put a 5 grand towards the car. That's one way to go, and you pay it monthly. That's an expense. But if you take the same 5 grand, and put it in a skill, let's say that you only work in a job and you have limited income, but you obviously have got some 3 hours per week, every week. You got your weekend most probably, and so on and so forth. So you take the 5 grand and go and learn, let's say, high ticket sales. So now suddenly you're paid on average per hour, in the best case scenario, if you're smart and you practice, a few grand an hour, a few £1,000 an hour. So let's say you've got like 10 hours free without even compromising that much of your social life and so on and so forth. Yes, you need to invest 100, 200, 300 hours, maybe 1,000 hours up front, and the 5 grand. But when you come up with that skill, you've got a live skill for life. Sales are not going anywhere. As soon as we had any type of money, we had trades and we had tradesmen. So you're literally becoming a tradesman, but you're leveraging internet and so on and so forth. So once you invest the money and you become like good at basically high ticket sales, suddenly your 5 grand now is earning you at least another 5 at least per month, whilst you had a still a pretty decent second-hand car, whilst you bought a pretty decent second-hand car in the meantime, but then you can afford now suddenly a way better car because you have $5,000 a month extra on top of your salary, at least. And now you can replace your salary, you can quit your job, and you can become your own boss, and you can work as many hours as you want. So suddenly you freed up your time, you became financially free, location free, because you can do sales from anywhere in the world. You increased your income and your net worth per year, like 10, 20, 100x. You're on an exponential curve in terms of growth, and now you have more money to invest in stock market, whatever, and you can literally per month afford any car now, and your income skill, your high income skill, is paying for the car with much less hours traded from your life for that car. So the way you need to look at things is how much time you spend for them $5,000, for them 5G, how much time you spend before and how much time you spend now, because now you can do it in one deal, in one call. So that's how you apply the same type of thinking on any level, and that's how you get to the actually buying the Rolls-Royces and so on and so forth. It's called working smart, not hard, and it's called delayed gratification. As soon as you become a man, high value man, who is capable of taking that kind of decisions and delaying his gratification, driving a car way under his level in order to use the money to invest into skills and income streams, that's when you level up. Cheers.
Hey, fantastic viewers! We see you tuning in regularly, and we're grateful for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. It only takes a second to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Also, show us some love by smashing that like button. If you've got questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Your feedback is gold. And don't forget to spread the word to your friends and family. The DayTradingEdge YouTube channel is one you don't want to miss out on. Thanks for being awesome.